I have an old Honeywell digital thermostat 32207445-001 and was programmed by my late husband and need to change settings. Cannot find a manual. Help.
Where in your home is your Honeywell thermostat installed? How old is it?
It's in the hallway. And quite old. Looking it up online, it's noted as vintage, maybe Comerical, as my how band was HVAC guy.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Tried running the temporary occupied program. It's almost like it's locked, so you cannot turn temp down when AC is running.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The front of the thermostat folded down and states, "This thermostat provides security which locks out some or all of the keys to prevent tampering. If the display does not respond, the keyboard may be locked out. Contact your installer." Yikes.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do all I can to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Please be patient, it can take a few minutes for me to respond. Here's the manual for what seems to be the thermostat you describe. https:/customer.honeywell.com/resources/techlit document/62000/62/01225.pdf.
If reading and understanding this correctly, I have to turn off the dip switch on the back to off.
Dip switch 1 turned off will disable the lock function.
Can't get thermost. Off wall. Any suggestions?
The body of the thermostat should pull out from the bottom, then lift it off the top. There is no mention of any screws in the manual, but it was common for Honeywell to use a small screw, or two, at the bottom to hold it in place. If they used 2 screws, they would be at the corners. Do you have more questions? I'd appreciate a favorable rating. This thread won't go away and I'll answer questions related to this topic even after you rate me favorably. If you are reading this as a text, please go to your account page or open the email related to this question and click on the link. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.